Here we are with another sage. Let's go. There's over 750 known species of sage growing wild and cultivated in temperate climates throughout the world. It is native to the Mediterranean region and was used by both ancient Egyptians and Greeks. Growing golden sage offers all these applications as well as a unique twist on its appearance. Its cream-colored leaves are decorated with an almost lime-green patch in the center, which is irregular and varied on each leaf. The overall effect is striking, especially when combined with other herbs. Golden sage has the same aromatic and flavor properties of traditional sage, but boasts lovely variegated leaves that are contrast from the grayish leaves of common garden sage. Sage is a fairly self-sustaining plant and doesn't necessarily need fertilizer in the spring, but a good organic mulch can enhance plant health. Golden variegated sage needs full sun. It does best on loam soils, but cannot withstand wet soils during the winter. This plant is attractive to bees, butterflies, and or birds. During the spring, before new growth emerges, it is best to cut away the spent winter foliage. Brassicas do great near sage. Sage helps repel pests that impact brassicas with their scents. Carrot flies are one of the big problems with growing carrots in the garden. Luckily, sage is a great option to help control those flies. Sage is a good companion plant for tomatoes, as it can help keep flea beetles away and attract beneficial insects to your tomato plants. Like other sage varieties, variegated sage contains natural anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antispasmodic properties. It may be ingested as a tea or used externally in tinctures and essential oil extracts.